Electric scooters, they are trendy, especially for short rides on paved roads. Recently, we got our hands on a smart and innovative electric scooter, the LEQISMART A8. Undoubtedly, this is an innovative and stylish electric stand-up scooter, a clear statement of uncompromising speed and smartness. And in this video, we've decided to share our thoughts and opinion on this LEQISMART A8. So let's get started. Well, we received the LEQISMART A8 electric scooter in a cardboard box. Then after getting it out, we saw how compact yet modern it looked in its sleek black exterior. It's made of aircraft-grade aluminum and automotive-grade die casting. So as far as the first impression is concerned, we were enamored with its overall appearance and build. Also, after we finished assembling it, its size seemed well suited for teenagers and adults alike. When it comes to the power of this scooter, we found out that it boasted a powerful motor with 630 watts of maximum output, which seems standard. And its high-capacity 374 watt-hour IPX7 rated battery with 10.2% energy recycle technology provided us with an automobile-grade waterproofing and up to 25 miles of maximum coverage. However, we wondered if it was enough or not, so when we tested it out, it gave us quite a remarkable distance coverage. For the record, it could cover up to a maximum of 28 miles with M mode. Besides, its range prediction makes a combination of its hardware and software to precisely predict its range. After that, we noticed its LED display showed 22 to 25 miles for a standard coverage and a maximum load of 220 pounds. So you don't need to worry about its weight capacity unless you're a big person. As we've mentioned earlier, we were impressed with its high-quality material content, aluminum. It uses one-body die-cast technology and aerospace-grade aluminum, which provides unmatched durability to the structure. It also came with a horseback design that can be termed a car-level specification. In addition to that, its car-standard light system included an auto welcome light which illuminated on its bottom when we switched it on to ride away. Plus, its headlight lit up in the dark to offer us enough brightness whenever we needed it. Its smartphone app works like a brownie point for this smart vehicle. We were able to check its remaining range on display along with the records of riding memory. Also, we could switch the scooter on and lock it with just using one button. Like any other innovative vehicle, this electric scooter also came with safety measures. For instance, its high-resilience tubeless tire, shock absorption, aramid polymer material, and 9-inch anti-puncture tire supported us durably while we rode it on the streets to ensure safer travels. Shock absorption gets even better with gyroscope status detection and intelligent speed control. As a result, uphill and downhill riding becomes more stable and safer. Besides, its dual braking system includes eABS and a mechanical disc brake. On the plus side, thanks to its ultra-folding design, this 34.2-pound scooter was convenient to carry on our private transportation to make the most out of its portability. Consequently, we managed to fold it within seconds and placed it in the back of our car with ease. All in all, we can state that the LEQISMART A8 electric scooter can be an impressive medium for traveling short distances and to nearby spots in style. It's comfortable and reliable because of the quality material and technology used in it. We've been quite fascinated with its build, coverage, and riding speed. Finally, and most importantly, it was incredibly amusing to ride in this sleek scooter without stressing about safety. So that was our review of the LEQISMART A8 electric scooter. Thanks for watching our video. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you found it helpful, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section. To know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.